Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Coinbase on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Coinbase application for your iPhone, first, make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, tap Open App Store from the app drawer. Go to the search box at the top and type in Coinbase and tap search at the bottom right. Once you find the application that says Coinbase, buy Bitcoin and Ether, tap on the download button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap in order to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download Coinbase application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.